I'm Jason Schaefer, and I'm the F-Class Product Manager for GE Vernova. Inside every F-Class gas turbine sits an unsung hero. The turbine rotor 1-2 spacer wheel. Small in size, big in impact. Built from high nickel alloy for strength, spacer wheels support turbine blades, provide pathways for cooling air, and help ensure efficient operation. After 80 to 96,000 factory-fired hours, micro cracks can start to appear, risking component loss and unplanned downtime. Early detection can avoid costly repairs to your asset. That's why GE Vernova's Life Extension Services team engineered our own advanced ultrasonic inspection to see what your eyes can't. When your rotor reaches 80,000 hours, it's time for an inspection. Schedule a non-intrusive ultrasonic scan of the 1-2 spacer wheel. A full rim check can catch cracks early. Most spacers pass inspection and return to service, saving replacement costs. At 144,000 factory-fired hours, or 5,000 factory-fired starts, it's time to send the rotor for a full life extension. During this service, the 1-2 spacer receives an eddy current scan to decide by engineering criteria whether it meets operational standards and is acceptable for reuse or requires replacement. These actions help reduce risk, avoid downtime, and protect revenue streams. Engage with GE Vernova today to safeguard turbine reliability and performance, keeping the power on for you and for your customers. I hope this video has provided insight into how to address maintenance related to the turbine rotor 1-2 spacer wheel and overall life cycle of your rotor. For all your F-Class turbine rotor questions, visit us online to learn more.